Is it the right time to buy or sell Affirm Holdings stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Affirm Holdings. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 9, 2024, our system has identified Affirm Holdings as a sell candidate, with a score of -4.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll be closely monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently in a strong and wide rising trend, which presents a potential buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $40.02 is broken, it could indicate a slower rate of rising and a possible trend shift. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected 41.71% change in the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 29.30% to 93.06%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 162.52% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 59.50% to 231.39%. This means the price could range from $69.96 to $145.35 after a year. Our latest update on Affirm Holdings brings you the headline, Big Movements in Affirm Holdings Stock Price on Friday, with a fluctuation of 18.92% between the high and low points. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 9, 2024, the stock price of Affirm Holdings dropped by 10.89% from $49.22 to $43.86. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a significant fluctuation of 18.92%, starting from a low of $42.04 and reaching a high of $49.99. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has shown a 6.1% increase over the past 2 weeks. While the volume of shares traded increased by 9 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. The total number of shares bought and sold amounts to approximately $1.68 billion, involving 38 million shares. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the stock was $52.48, whereas the lowest price was $8.80. As of now, the current price is 16.43% lower than the 52-week high, with a difference of $8.62. Furthermore, it stands at a significant 75.17% below the all-time high recorded on November 8, 2021, when the price reached $176.65. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 9, 2024, Piper Sandler gave AFRM a grade of underweight with a recommended action to hold. On the same day, Stephens also gave AFRM a grade of underweight with a recommended action to hold. Another report came in from Goldman Sachs, who graded AFRM as neutral with a recommended action to hold. Moving back to Wednesday, January 10, 2024, Wells Fargo gave AFRM a grade of market perform with a recommended action to hold. Lastly, on Wednesday, December 20, 2023, Mizuho Securities graded AFRM as a buy with a recommended action to hold. Analysts have given Affirm Holdings stock a general rating of neutral. They believe the PE ratio is worth buying, and the price-to-book ratio is also worth buying. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of sell. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Affirm Holdings. The stock is showing mixed signals. In the short term, the moving average suggests a buy signal. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is higher than the short-term average, it's giving a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance at the long-term moving average of $44.03. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find some support at the short-term average of $43.34. Breaking through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while falling below the short-term average will strengthen the general sell signal. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of minus 14.65% so far. It's likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume increased when prices fell yesterday, which could be an early warning sign and should be monitored closely. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Today, I want to share some interesting signals with you that could help in your investment decisions. Let's start with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's currently giving a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger Bands, on the other hand, gave a buy signal 2 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, it provided a buy signal 6 days ago. However, the long-term moving average revealed a sell signal 2 days ago. Analyzing the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, let's shift our attention to the 12-month chart and see what it tells us. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also provided a buy signal 69 days ago. Examining the relation between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal 178 days ago. Remember, if you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Affirm Holdings. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock finds support just below today's level at $38.38 and $37.67. Support levels are important because they indicate a price point where buying pressure may outweigh selling pressure, potentially leading to a rebound in the stock price. However, there is always a risk when a stock is testing a support level. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Affirm Holdings, the next support levels from accumulated volume would be at $38.38, followed by $37.67 and $34.12. Moving on to risk, it's important to assess the level of volatility associated with a stock. Affirm Holdings has average movements during the day in good trading volume, which puts its risk level at medium. To put this into perspective, in the last day, the stock had a price range of $7.95, representing a percentage change of 18.92% between its high and low points. Over the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 9.13%. Let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data before we explore the potential trading levels for Affirm Holdings. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face downturns due to external factors, but consistently negative P/E ratios could signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to the latest news, the earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled to be released on May 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.670. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Affirm Holdings. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $44.40. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is exceeded before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading opportunities. On the downside, Affirm Holdings faces its first support level at $38.38. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as a potential rebound may be expected. Affirm Holdings has received a neutral combined average rating from multiple analyst sources. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. One of the recent insider trades involved Adkins Catherine, who both bought and sold a total of 15,457 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -71.773. In total, insiders have purchased 568,692 shares and sold 3,392,430 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have come to a negative evaluation for this particular stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Affirm Holdings stock a good buy? Our analysis indicates that Affirm Holdings currently holds several negative signals and is expected to perform weakly in the near future. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion from a buy to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price of Affirm Holdings is undervalued. For trading on Monday, February 12th, we anticipate Affirm Holdings to open up $1.44 and start trading at $45.30. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions related to securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this stock. Comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree with our current view. Share your target for the stock as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.